Hello my friends, in this video I am going to show you how to remove a copyright protected content found on your YouTube video. Sometimes when you use a music for background on your tutorial or on your voiceover, it could be detected by YouTube as a copyright protected content. So to remove the copyrighted content, just go on this button to the video you have a copyright content, then click on details, see details. Now down it gives you the name of the music that you used in the video. So click on these 3 points to have an action. So to remove a claimed content, it gives you 3 options or 4. The first one is to trim out a segment, so to cut out the whole part, for example on this video from the second age to 2 minutes and a half. And the second option is to replace the song with another song from YouTube library. And the third one is to mute the song, so replace the song and mute the song. Or the difference between the trim out the segment and mute the song, that muting a song will only remove the song from the video, but you will keep your video minutes. And the last option, if you have rights for this content, you could make dispute. So the new tool on the YouTube is mute the song. It's within muting the song. Let's go on. Mute the So on this window, you are going to choose whether to mute all the sound with the songs player or with the voiceover, or go down and remove only the claimed song only. Keep the rest of the song. In this case, it's my voiceover. I will try it. Mute. This process could take a time, but it is effective. It will take only the copyrighted content from your videos. In this way, you are out of copyright strike. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel.